tour of this big old house behind me. Custom built house for our clients. They're coming in tomorrow to do their electrical walkthrough. So I'll give you a little bit of a look at what the layout looks like on the inside at this point. So this home is a 32-foot home and it is massive. I'm gonna try to see if I can show you just how big it is. We've got lots of great windows throughout. I'm gonna go inside. Now this one is going to be built just like our getaway model, which is the one that has the pink on the inside. This is the kitchen, which is pretty big. We're gonna have a sink here, right below the window, countertops going all the way across. Then we're gonna have our oven over here, refrigerator, and on the other side, there's gonna be lots of built-in storage. So this wall's gonna be open. It's gonna be enough space for a couch or whatever the owner wants to put in here. This side is going to be the built-in storage steps that go up to both staircases. Now you can't really tell, but these lofts are massive. It's a huge loft on both sides. This is our bathroom in here. We're gonna have a full bathtub on this side with a custom tiled surround, sink in the middle, toilet on this side, and this spot is gonna be open here. Just like our getaway model, just gonna be different colors on the inside. Our client has custom tile that she's picked out as well for the countertops and the backsplash in the kitchen. So it's gonna be really cool looking. So stay tuned to see the progress on this guy. It's gonna be really fun.